Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you patchwork baskets ideas. So friends, let's start today's video. Friends, we will talk about a beautiful and useful crafts ideas called a patchwork basket. This handmade basket is made by sewing small pieces of fabric together in a patchwork style. Patchwork baskets are colorful, creative, and very practical for home use. They are perfect for strong, small items while also decorating your home. Patchwork is a sewing technique where different pieces of fabric are joined together to create a new design. It is a great way to use fabric scarves and leftover cloth or old cloth. Instead of throwing fabric away, you can turn it into something beautiful and useful like baskets. Let's talk about how a patchwork basket is made. First, small fabric pieces are cut into shape like square or rectangle. This piece can have different color and patterns. Next, the pieces are string together to create a patchwork panels. These colorful panels become the outer layer of the basket. Instead, the basket aligning fabric is add the lining, make the basket strong and give it a neat finishing. And friends, sometimes a soft layer of batting or friction is placed between the fabric. This helps the basket keep its shape. After spinning the sides and bottom, the basket begins to take its final touch. So friends, I hope you like my video. So Allah Hafiz, see you in next videos.